Please subscribe under the video and like it.
What do we need for it?
We need
Vegetables. Sausage.
sausage.
Flour.
Hello, can you guess what we're going to build today? A tractor. Tractors have wheels of two different sizes. Small front wheels and rear big wheels. A cab. A hood to protect the engine. Rear and front fenders. Ladder. Mufflers and an exhaust pipe. A tractor is a powerful motor vehicle. Most commonly, it is used in construction and agriculture. By attaching the ripper to the tractor, we'll plough the land and prepare it for growing crops. A little bit of water, a little bit of sun, the work is done. Will you help me with the harvest? Here also we'll use a tractor to harvest the crop. Wheat is a very important plant.
Flour.
Let's make pizza.
Yummy, yummy. La, la, la. Ha ha. Oh, italiano pizza. Pronto bene.
Wow, buonissima pizza!
Please subscribe under the video and like it.
Please click on the picture to see other funny videos.